Roughly 10,000 years ago the ice cap retreated and people settled down on the shorelines of the Baltic Sea. Estonian language has been spoken on these lands for at least 2,000 years. The first written verb in Estonian was to sing, mentioned in the Livonian Chronicle 800 years ago. And we sing to this day, alone and in groups. Our song festivals have been bringing together tens of thousands of singers for over 150 years. During winter, when it's snowy and white, we ski, alone and in groups, sometimes in thousands. Reading has been a part of our culture for half a millennium. The first book in Estonian will be 500 years old in 2025. Over 90% of Estonians have been literates for over 100 years. We invite you to the 6th Baltic Sea Conference on Literacy. Literacy Environment, Environmental Literacy. October 4th to 7th, 2025, Tallinn, Estonia.